of the most popular features of Cephable are quick action buttons. These are buttons that you can click or tap in order to trigger actions in your different applications. They're mapped to different controls within your specific app controls, and you can customize them as much as you want. You can access and use these buttons either from the panel or using the Cephable Companion mobile app. To get started using quick actions, you can go ahead in the panel and expand the quick action buttons. Here you'll see any custom buttons plus the defaults that are there for any pre-built app controls. You can also go and look at every single app control as a simple button that you could click. In this case, because I'm in Microsoft Outlook, I can do things like go to calendar, forward a message, create an email, etc. I can also use these in custom ways. For example, if I go and edit these app controls, you can see I have a sample email template that I can either use with a voice command or by tapping or clicking this lead outreach template button. What this does is types some sample text talking about insurance and things like that, and I have a little template that I can type out. In order to use these, all I have to do is open up a new Outlook and then click this button that's now available over here in my lead outreach template. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Here I am in an Outlook window for a new email, and I'm currently in the subject line. If I go ahead and click my lead outreach template, Cephable's going to type everything out for me. Just like that. Now I can also do things like quickly create another new email, opens up a new email template, and close that. But any of these buttons can be mapped to anything custom. As you switch around to different applications, those buttons will switch with you too. For example, if I open up something like File Explorer, my File Explorer buttons will show up. These are super convenient for just having an easy way to click something to trigger action. But they're really, really powerful when you customize the different ways that you want to use them for triggering different macros, typing templates, or just mapping the complex interactions that you don't want to have to memorize keyboard shortcuts for. To check out quick action buttons either from the panel or from the Cephable Companion app,